guys, Bryan here, and I wanted to tell you something really awesome. Look all of these amazing videos that I generated for Valentine's Day, and the best part, it don't need to be 2 minutes as I used Smart Media. With Smart Media you can save time, generate thousands, hundreds of videos without having to worry about the media at all. Let's check it out. Let's work on a spreadsheet for that mass media creation, okay? So in the media column, you just have to type in the word you want the media related to, okay? So I want roses, and the system will search in the library videos related to that word. Amazing, huh? Now let me give you a tip, okay? So as default, the system will search for images related to that word. In case you want a video, the way you have to input is roses/video, and now you have a video in your media. Awesome, right? So this is the way it should look in the spreadsheet or the CSV. So let's just copy the link and go to our editor to see how our amazing video looks like, okay? Another tip, you can use Smart Media in the editor too. How? Let's go here and advanced options, and now it will show you the link of the media. So the only thing you have to do is same process, replace it with a word of the media you want, and you'll have it. So this is the way you should put. And now wait for it to load. Now let's check out our videos, okay? See, it's so easy and so beautiful. Ha, I love them. Let's check out another one. Oh my gosh, they're perfect. They are so perfect. As always, please let us know any comments, any suggestions you may have. We'll be so happy to hear from you. And well, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much. Have a good day.